Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome to today's video. So this is going to be so exciting. This is the first actual challenge that I've done. So I'm really excited and kind of a little nervous about it. I think it'll be really fun. I've seen like a few YouTubers do this, but the one I just recently watched was Soph Does Life, I think is her channel name now. She just changed it, but it just looked like so much fun. I just wanted to clarify that I was not the one that thought of this idea. It just looked so fun and it looked like such a challenge. I'm not going to be using the palette that a lot of people have been using for this though. I'm actually going to be using the James Charles palette instead. This one has a gorgeous array of lots of different beautiful colors. So we're going to number these ones. I'm actually going to post a little thing on the screen so you guys can see what way I numbered them, I guess, because you could number them this way or that way. And I also am going to be using this program called wheeldecide.com. I entered in all of the numbers, so you have like little entries down here. There are 39 colors, and then up at the top you have this little wheel. So we're gonna spin this little wheel and it'll pop up with a number, and that's going to be the eyeshadow that we choose. We're gonna choose a total of 7 different eyeshadows, and I have to use them in the order that they pull up, even though I would usually start off with a crease shade or something like that. So this is definitely going to be very interesting. I do already have like my complexion makeup done, but I didn't do my lips. I was going to just put on like a nude lip, but I thought you never know what it's going to turn out with. So I thought we might wait for a bit for that. Okay, are you ready to get started? What do you guys think? Post your predictions below. Tell me how you think this is going to go, either really good or really, really bad. I kind of think it's gonna go really bad. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already. I'd absolutely love that. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I would love to have you back for those. I already put on the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, but I do want to just take a fluffy brush, and I have a little bit of translucent powder left. So I just want to set the eyes with just basic translucent powder so we can have an easy base to work with. I'm gonna record my screen so you guys can see the wheel pop up as I do it. I'm gonna go ahead and push it. Let's see what our first color is gonna be. This is gonna be so ridiculous. Number 20. Okay, let's see which color is number 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, okay. Okay, that's not too bad. We have this really pretty warm brown. That's not too bad. I can work with that. I think we'll start by putting that in the crease. That can be like our first transition shade. That's what we're gonna do first. And you know what? Let me zoom you guys in just a little bit closer so you can kind of see just exactly what we're doing a little better. I need to raise you up just a smidge here. There, that's better. Okay, so we're applying this just as our crease shade, kind of our transition shade. Such a bright, fun orange. Oh gosh. 7 is my favorite number, so that's why I decided on 7 eyeshadows. Plus we need to do the under eyes. So I think we'll do 5 colors on the lid and 2 for the under eye. Actually, I changed my mind. We're gonna do 4 colors for the lid, 2 under the eye, and we're gonna save 1 for the inner corner. I usually always put a bright shade in the inner corners, so that'll be really interesting if it ends up being like black or like a dark brown or even a hot pink or something. This is so fun. That actually looks great. That blended out super good. At first I was a little hesitant, but it's looking good. So we're done with that color. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel again and see what we get next. 38. Oh, stop it. That's purple. Orange and purple. Actually, I think those are complementary colors, so that's not too bad. But it's this light purple. That's really not too bad. Okay. I'm so tempted to cut the crease and do like purple all on the lid, but what will we get next? It could end up being a disaster if I do that. But we only have 3 colors left on the lid. Actually, 2 colors left on the lid, so it might not be too bad. Okay, let's do that. I do need to go grab some concealer really quick. So I grabbed the Fenty concealer. So let's just go ahead and do a quick little cut crease. Oh gosh, I hope this doesn't just end up being a complete disaster. My eyes are so hooded, so it's kind of a challenge on where to know where to start, you know? Okay, friends, that purple has been applied. I think I want to go back in with our first brush just to blend that a little bit. All right, so far, I don't actually feel like this is looking too bad. The purple and orange is actually, it's vibing. It's not doing too bad. Let's spin this again. Let's see. What color? 26. Ooh, let's see what color 26 is. A blue. So number 26 is going to be that beautiful blue. I think that'll be super easy. Let's just do that kind of in the center of the lid down. Okay, purple and blue vibe and purple and orange look pretty good together. So I'm gonna dip into that with my finger. I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors in the palette. Hopefully we get like a darker color or something so we can do the outer corner. This is actually so pretty. This is pretty so far. I feel like we have gotten so lucky. Okay, I just want to take that first brush just to kind of feather it out a little. What do you guys think? I actually think that looks really pretty. I really, really do. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I think this look is actually so pretty. I really, really love the blue and the purple, and then there's almost a little bit of a pink because the purple and the orange kind of mixed. This is fun. Okay, the last one, what's it gonna be? I hope it's not something horrible. What are you gonna do? 37. How did we get that lucky? 37 is a dark purple. How did we get that lucky, you guys? This is great. I am so excited right now. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna take this little Morphe M507. We're just going to do a little bit of that dark purple and we're just gonna darken up the outer corner. Oh my goodness. We do still have the lower lash line though. That could end up being green or something nasty. And we have the inner corner. Even though it's looking pretty right now, we might not get that lucky. We have a family dinner after this, so if it doesn't turn out too bad, maybe I'll wear this to family dinner. All right, I feel pretty good about that. I think I like this so far. I think I need to just put that down. All right, so that is the lids done. So now we need to do the under eye. So let's pick our first color for the under eye. 20 again. Are we that lucky? Wait, do we gotta use numbers again? Yeah, we get to use numbers again. This is going too good for this to be too ruined. I'm gonna just take that same brush and I'm just going to pinch it. So we're gonna dip into that light orange. That I think is the shade Code James, I wanna say. So I'm just gonna pinch it and just place that right under the eye. Okay, I wanna buff this out a little bit. So I think I'm gonna grab a clean brush and just kind of buff that out under the eye. All right, let's move on to our next color. And that is number 10. What's number 10? Oh, okay. I thought number 10 was this one for a second, this like really dark chocolatey brown, but it's actually this one, which is a really pretty like pink. I'm cool with that. Let me grab another new brush so we don't cross color. That would have been a really good one for the inner corner, but we're just gonna place that. This is gonna be so pretty. Oh my gosh, watch us get black for the inner corner. Just wait. Okay, the number that we don't want, because that's gonna be black, we don't want number 23, anything but 23, you guys. Let's go ahead and do our last one. All right, so this is our last one, number 7. Let's find out what number we're gonna get for our inner corner. 27. Oh no. Okay, so I zoomed you out so we could pick our last color. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 27. Okay. Yes, let's do it. Fine. This is gonna ruin it all. Okay, in it goes. Uh-oh, we're getting some fallout. Oh no. Well, I think it's safe to say that the blue ruined the look. You guys, it wasn't going bad until the very last one. This is honestly like so embarrassing. I feel like it's almost making me look like bruised on my inner corner. This looks so bad. On a positive note though, I did just realize that my eyelashes are starting to finally relax from the perm that we did 2 weeks ago. So that's really, really good news. Some that are getting a little less super surf wave curls. So that's a really good thing. We're gonna see the final look. You have to tell me what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up if you think that I wasn't actually going bad until the blue. Or just a thumbs up for support would be really nice. But honestly, I do really love the orange and the blue and the purple, like that mix. And then the under eye actually is a little bit more subtle. I should have gone a little bit more heavy-handed on the orange and the sparkles on the under eye. I was trying to be cautious because I didn't want to drag it down too much when I actually should have just been using more to kind of make that pop a little bit more, because now it's just so lopsided. There definitely needs to be something under there. That's okay. This was still really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this little challenge. I hope you should try this at home. Totally. Let me know how it goes if you do this. I was actually really surprised at how much it was just fun to experiment with different colors. I almost wish that we would have gotten like a yellow or another like brown to throw in the mix, or even a green or something, just to really throw me off my game. But this ended up actually working out so good besides this blue. If that just wouldn't have been the inner corner color, then we would have been fine. Oh well, that's okay. This isn't a permanent look. I decided not to even put on lashes because I know this is gonna come right off in a second. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, all the things. Like the video, comment down below what your favorite color was, or if you thought this was fun, or just your thoughts in general. And I hope you're having a fantastic day. Oops. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.